All right, guys, 2016 Hyundai Genesis Coupe 3.8 liter V6. So it's got factory converters up there somewhere. Then secondaries there. Then it wasn't a single. Kept the baby resonator. Then we did a muffler delete, a rear muffler delete, as you guys can see there. And there we had to custom make it. Custom Y pipe, custom intermediate pipes or tailpipes, and reuse his tips. He wanted to keep his own tips, so we reused his tips. But there's the Y pipe right there. The old stock muffler is right here. That's why we had to put the Y pipe, because it comes in the center, and then two pipes out the back on each side, there and there, as you guys can see right there. There it is. That's the setup. That's what it looks like after. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Much better. Ah, so much better, right? What do you think? You like it? Yes. Here's sound decibels. 111. 3.8 liter. 112. Go ahead and bag it out. Nice car. Got a little damage there, but he's fixing it up as he goes. It's a really beautiful car. It's so much deeper. What do you guys think of this? I like it. It's deep. Let you guys hear all these. Hyundai Genesis Coupe 3.8 liter muffler delete. Still got factory resonator on it. And factory tips. Wow, that is loud. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. You can still hear it.